Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm here with my latest unboxing. This is a particularly exciting unboxing for me because today is my birthday, and these are going to be my birthday shoes. I also am really excited about these particular shoes because if you're familiar with my channel, you know I love a designer outlet, a luxury outlet. I am there. And Jimmy Choo is no different, especially because it's in the same center that I go to as the Louboutin outlet, which I've talked about, I think, several times on this channel now. So I got my first purchase from the Jimmy Choo outlet, and I was very happy when I did because I got these 70% off retail. These shoes retailed for over $1,000. You can find these shoes online for about half the price where they were, depending on where you get them, but you can only get them in sort of a ballet pink, and that's just not a color I would ever go for. So I was very happy when I got these at $324. They retailed for, I think, $1,050 if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna tear right into these, and I'm sure you guys will let me know what you think of them. These shoes actually check off a lot of boxes for me when it comes to different things in my collection. I'm not one to go out and get a lot of the same kind of shoe unless it's a very, very popular pump that I know I want to kind of test out for myself, because I'm always looking for that ultimate pump. But these are not a pump, they are a sandal. They are my first patent leather sandals because my sandals that I have are in a Napa leather. And I have a habit at Jimmy Choo of forgetting to ask for an extra dust bag. At Louboutin I always get extra dust bags. Here I never do. So if I get the chance to go back, which hopefully I will soon, I will remember to ask for my dust bags. But as I was saying about these checking off some boxes, they are a patent leather. They are a 120 sandal. I do not have any sandals over 100 millimeter right now. And they have a little bit of bling on them. I don't typically go for bling, but in this situation I liked it because it's kind of like an understated bling. It's not an in-your-face type. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one of them. There it is. It's a gorgeous 120 millimeter sandal with about 10 millimeter platform, give or take. Let's take this off so you guys can get the full effect of the shoe. But look at that. Like, first of all, I love a 120. That will give me the security of the strap around the ankle. So for me, that's a win right there. And then on top of it, look at all the bling. The black bling. So it's not like super shiny in your face, but it's still kind of saying, I'm here. And I also really like that the straps are actually made of suede. And it feels like there's going to be a decent amount of room, so that way I'm not having a bad experience in them. These seem like they are going to be a very comfortable 120, which I'm kind of excited to try out. And if you guys like these enough, I might do a video of me going out and using them. But there they are again, just to kind of take in the full picture. Well, I should say there's the one, not both of them. I'll let you guys look at the other one. I know it's going to look exactly the same, but why not get the full image? And there's the other one, just as pretty. I couldn't believe I found a 120 sandal at the outlet in patent black. For me, that was a super win, because it's kind of a rare find for me to find a patent black at an outlet, especially in a 120. Like, I've never seen a 120 at the Louboutin outlet, so Jimmy Choo might have won my heart over that, at least at the outlet. And these are significantly cheaper than what I'd find at a Louboutin outlet. The lowest price I've seen at the Louboutin outlet, I think, was $465. So I'm definitely going to be meandering into the Jimmy Choo outlet a lot more. And what's funny about them is that I did not know this until recently, but there's 2 Jimmy Choo outlets around me. There's one in Cabazon up by the Louboutin outlet, and then there's another one in Camarillo. So one of these days I'm gonna have to go up and check that out because I am always down for a cheap Jimmy Choo. I was about to say Jeep, but yep. I'll go ahead and throw these on, and hopefully these will be good to me on my birthday because I don't want to be in pain, but they're too pretty for me not to wear, so I'm definitely going to wear them. I'll throw these on, and I will see you when they're on my feet. Later!